So the next one is be aware of stacking questions. This point is very important, my dear friends, when we are selling to our competitor customers. They might be already signed up in a contract, or they might have already taken the similar product, but we are repitching them to get into our service. We need to keep in mind that they all already in this particular service which they are taking from our competitors. At that time, we should always listen to the customer what he is facing the problem with. Always listen first. Always listen, and then you come up with the points what your competitor is not providing. And the best part in this is you can just provide them the competitive price than your competitor, where the customer need more features with a lesser price than your competitor. So always attract them with the more options than what the competitors are providing. So be aware of stacking questions. Because you already know the customer is using the similar services or similar products or similar kind of stuff. Since he is already an existing, we all get the leads from all sources. We never know, but we will come to know what he is into. He might say, hey, I already have this, I don't need this. He will simply hang up. At that point, you can recall them and say that, sir, we don't have any contract. You can just try our services for a month. If you feel comfortable and if you feel more greater than some XYZ, whoever is the service provider is, and you can continue with this. If not, you can cancel it at any point of time. We are not binding you in any kind of contract. Always ready with the stacking questions. Shut up and just listen. Listening is an art since very long, I'm telling you. Sometimes we will get the answer only when we listen to the customer clearly what he is trying to sell, or what he is trying to tell, and what he is trying to explain his pain. That's very much clear, my dear friends. Let's catch you up with the next topic. Thank you for listening to me.